narrative describing our society today would read like a bad fiction, terrorist attacks on September 11th, whom left many Americans dead. Hundreds of New York firefighters lost their lives struggling to help innocent victims of the World Trade Center. As our nation suffers from horrific acts of terrorism, the Taliban's paraded to the national media. Now the United States troops has returned to Afghanistan to root out terrorism and those who support it. The sad events reported on the evening news confirm our sense that our worst nightmares have become our waking reality, and we should feel afraid. The paralyzing effects of fear makes us helpless as babies and blinds us to the truth that God didn't send us here to be powerless spectators, but to be powerful initiators. We are spiritual beings having an earthly experience, and we have the power to break the cycle of negativity that is filling a very dangerous world. It's not only possible, it is why we are here. So as we await the outcome of the present war, not only we should stand together and embrace one another, we should pray for our brothers and sisters defending the freedom of our country and hundreds of citizens working day in and day out at Ground Zero. And remember that God bless America, and especially God bless Samoa.